I said too much.
Hey Bells, it's Melissa Danielle. Thanks for tuning in for today's video. We have a new wig. I'm so excited. I'm always excited when I get a new wig though. Like who doesn't get excited when they get some new hair? When you get some new hair or when you get your hair done, it's like the best. You just feel like a new woman, like a new personality, all that good stuff. Let's get into this wig. I try to wear some different earrings today because like I'm always wearing hoops, but the sound, like I cannot move my head. I gotta be careful. Okay, let me try to get stationary. Anyways, I have a new wig. This is from West Kiss Hair. This is their new 2.0 frontal wig. So like it's pre-styled and pre-bleached for you. I'm excited. Like the less work I have to do, the better. Like, cause wigs are a lot of work. Like you gotta learn some tricks and tips in order to get these things to look really natural. So if it comes pre-styled, I'm just excited. So we're gonna get right into this. So like I said, this is the 2.0 frontal wig. Pre-styled, pre-bleached. It is 250% density. I got 250, but you can do 180 as well if you don't want it so dense. This is the side body wave 13x6 lace wig. So it's like a side part. So it comes pre-styled in a side part. But it's a frontal wig, so I'm guessing you'll be able to change the part. We'll see when I pull it out. And this is 16 inches and it's body wave. So it comes in here. Oh, and it comes with a whole lot of goodies in here. So let's see, you get some eyelashes, an elastic band. I think you can attach this on the inside of the wig if you want to. Band so that you can melt the lace in the front. You get an edge brush. I need one of these. I don't have one in front of me. I just realized that. Is this a bonnet? Girl, don't be blessing me with a bonnet for the nighttime. So it's black on the inside, so it's like reversible. How cute is that? Oh, it's a big old bonnet too. Thank you for the bonnet, West Kiss. It's classy. Okay, and you get some wig caps. And then you also get the satin bag to store your wig in. I mean, they thought of everything. How classy is that? So it says 10A plus grade human hair wig. It's a medium cap size. Okay, so she is already curled. Let's take this fishnet off. Oh my God, it looks like they even laid the hair and pre-pluck. The plucking is insane. Let me be very gentle like a dove, Minerva, like a dove. Okay. Guys, they bleached this wig. Like, look at that. Look at that. Have you guys seen that girl on TikTok that does that in her videos? Look at that. But yeah, look at this. Look how they laid the hairs, everything. Look at this deep part they've put into this wig. Look at this lace. It's so soft. It's tinted slightly, like it's like slightly brown tint. Look at all this lace on top. So yeah, you can definitely change the part if you want to. OMG. Lace at the nape. I'm gonna cut this off because I never use that. It has comb at the nape. Okay, and then it has the band in there. I guess if you don't want to glue it down, you can use this, but I'm gonna glue mine down. They thought of everything. Okay. So I'm going to put some foundation on the inside of the wig cap so that it matches my skin tone. And then we're going to glue her down. I always put my glue down first and then press the wig into it. But yeah, I'm going to be using the Wig Dealer glue. They have like a little kit. You get all your supplies in there, which is really convenient. They have different ones. They have the Touch Up Lace Bonding Gel. So like if you have your wig is lifting, you can touch it up with this. This is what I'm going to use today. This is the Extreme Hold Lace Glue. I'm using this one today. You guys already saw me use this in one of my previous videos, but this is their melting spray and it's humidity resistant. It has a really great hold. I even wore this at the gym. So yeah, they have this one as well. But we're going to be using the Extreme Hold because hopefully this is going to hold up at the gym. What else comes in here? Oh, they got scissors in here? Oh, and they're cute. They got a little handle for your bag so you can carry your bag. They have the melting band in there as well. The edge comb. And what is this? Oh, it comes with a little razor so you can cut your lace. Oh, just classy. These companies are just doing it up big. Use a little bit of alcohol to clean off my forehead. And guys, this is optional. Like I said, it comes with an elastic band, so you don't have to melt your wig down or glue it down if you don't want to. But you guys know I go to the gym, so I don't want my wig sliding off my head because that would just be so much embarrassment for me. I'm just taking some alcohol and cleaning off my forehead because I got makeup on. Okay. I'm going to cut the lace off the back of this wig. Now I'm going to try it on before I put my glue on because I want to see where the tabs end at. Okay, I'm going to cut off all of this. I always have a problem with my wigs fitting my head. My head is just so big. Okay, so what we're going to do, I can't even pick glue. I'm going to pick glue up here. So we'll cut off all the lace beneath here. That first coat is drying. I'm going to go ahead and put some foundation on the inside of my cap. But I'm going to let this dry, put on one more layer of glue, and I'll be back so we can apply the wig. That is not giving me the hold that I want. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna let this dry for a little while because like it's still sort of a little bit white. So I'm hoping that it will dry a little bit more clear, especially in this area. But the wig is looking snatched, baby. So give me a few minutes and I'll be back. So guys, unfortunately, I need a larger cap size, so I had to cut off more lace than I want to. I'm using some of my Kiss Edge Fixer. I'm going to blend my edges and then swoop out some baby hair. Okay, so now we got that worked out. Let's work with this hair and see what she do. I'm using my wax spray. I'm gonna have to recurl these bangs because they're not dropping the way I want them to drop. They're sort of like just flat like that. So let me get my curling wand. So I'm just gonna section out this top part and then curl it back so that it sort of like falls perfectly, falls towards my face more.
I need you right about now. I need you right about now. I need you right about now. Yeah, yeah. Read your body language, see we conversating, watching how you move, yeah, I like what I see. Got our favorite station, taking in your fragrance. That's an easy way to make a bitch go weak. I could do us every day. We're taking turns when I play. Want you to give me all of you like we got nothing to say. Love all the faces you make. I'll do whatever it takes. Know the position on your knees, but ain't got nothing to pay. Yeah, yeah. Wonder if you stay for a while. Never wanna lose on our time. You know how I need it right now. Come on, baby, take me for a ride. All I think about is you, and I wanna know when you come through. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. Fulfill your desires, put your hands on me. Run your fingers all around my thighs. Play me like a key. Loving how you show me why you're mine. Come and take the lead. Play out all the things you had in mind. All your fantasies. Focus on me, then repeat. Make me hit that do re mi. Not a type of sit back, bodies in contact. Come on, let me give you all of me. Whether we're loving or fucking, placing our bed like it's all in or nothing. Don't mind if I me what's your introduction. Know what to do when I text you, I'm coming. All I think about is you, and I wanna know when you.
Well, this is the final final result is so beautiful. So absolutely beautiful. She's so full. The hair is so soft. I love the fact that it came pre-bleached. Like I said, it does come pre-styled, but if you want to customize the curls a little bit, you can definitely do that real quick with, like, you know, a curling wand, curling iron, whatever you want to use. The only thing is that I do need a bigger cap. I have a big head. My head is like 22, 23 inches. So I need a larger cap. That's the only thing that I would say is a bad thing. Otherwise, the wig is so absolutely gorgeous. You guys should definitely go purchase it. So I will link it down below in the description bar. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. And I will catch you in the next video. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.